Back to basics, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our new English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, back to basics. This is a common phrase in English, often used in various contexts. Understanding it can really help you grasp how English speakers communicate ideas about simplicity and fundamentals. So, let's dive in. Back to basics is an English idiom that means returning to the simple, fundamental aspects of something. It's often used when someone wants to emphasize the importance of basic principles or simple methods. This phrase can be applied in education, business, lifestyle, and even personal skills. It suggests that complexity or advanced methods are not always better, and sometimes, focusing on the basics can lead to better understanding or results. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In education, a teacher might say, "Let's go back to basics," which means returning to fundamental lessons or simple teaching methods. 2. In business, a company might adopt a back-to-basics approach to focus on its core products or services, rather than expanding into new areas. 3. In personal life, someone might decide to go back to basics with their diet, meaning they choose to eat simple, unprocessed foods. Now, let's practice using this phrase. After trying complex diets, I decided to go back to basics and just eat healthy, whole foods. Our company is going back to basics to improve product quality. The new teacher is taking a back-to-basics approach to improve students' understanding of math. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, back to basics, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, sometimes the simplest way is the best way. See you in our next video, and keep practicing your English.